Welcome back with in the next lecture, which is lecture 3 on basics of Compose. So in this video we will make a splash screen, and before that let's recap what we have learned until this point. So these are the basic components that we have seen: text view, button, column, row, icons and images. So let's make a real screen based using these components. So and that's a splash screen, and a link of and that's this design in Figma file. So the link of that Figma file is given in the description below, so you can access that link to access this design and different components of this design. So let's open the design. So after opening the design, you will and logging in the Figma, you will see this screen here. So from here on the left side, you need to scroll down and click on design, free design file, and here we have different screens. So first of all, we need to make a splash screen here. So before jumping on to coding, let's see the different components of the screen and how and where they are aligned. So here we have one icon and text here, which is vertically centered and horizontally centered, and there are some shadow images which are on the top right of the screen and the bottom left of the screen and the bottom right of the screen. So these are the components that are showing on the screen. So let's apply these components and make our design according to this screen. So let's come back to my Android Studio project, and here I will close all the tabs here. And here I will create a new package for Splash, in which I will create a new file. Write COMP and hit tab button. Compose screen, and to preview this compose screen, I will copy this down here and name it as preview, and annotation is preview. And here are a few things that we need to do here is use this theme, and here I will use compose screen. Now I will view will be rendered in live data, and we can see the effect here. So let's jump to the design components one by one. First I will show this icon and this text here. So let's double click on this icon, and from here in preview we can see that we have selected this icon perfectly. Now we need to export this as an image. So from here you need to select the quality of this one, and by default it's 1x, so we will use the 4x quality here and export it. Okay, so we have the image here. So let's copy this image. No, actually copy and paste it in the drawables. I will name it as what is the name of this project? It's an event booking app, so I will name it app icon. And for the text, as this text has two colors and some effect. And okay, I will export this as an image as well. Quality should be 4x and export. Okay, event hub. IMG event hub. Okay, so now next thing is we need to show these two images on the screen, so it would be vertically centered and horizontally centered. So I will use the column of actually row for that. First I will show these two in the horizontal format. Modifier fill max width, and here to show an image we will use image component. Icon, and content description it will be now. So here is the rendering issue here. This is because whenever we add any file or do any change in the resources directory, then for after that we need to rebuild it manually. So it will build the project and refresh our compose screen. Okay, so now our image has been rendered, but it's not showing the image here. So let's zoom out and see. Okay, so the next thing is we need to show the event hub text here. So for that I will make another image here. Okay, so the next thing is we need to make this content aligned, that this icon and the event hub baseline is same. So for that I will set the vertical alignment to bottom. Okay, so the baseline is same, so Next thing is we need, here is some space between this icon and the event hub. So here we need to put the space here. For that I will use spacer. Okay, let's increase it a little bit more, and little bit more. I will make it 10. Okay, so this is it. The inner spacing is according to our design. So the next thing is we need to make it horizontally centered. So for that I will use horizontal arrangement, center. So it's centered now. So the next thing is we need to make it vertically centered, and when doing that we can also use here these some of our components. We also need to show these components too. So for so if we want to show any components vertically, then just like 1, 2 and these two components are showing vertically, so for that we will use column. So let's wrap this into column. Modify fill max size. It will occupy the whole space which is available vertically and horizontally on the device. And change the background color to white. Okay, so this is showing in column on top, and so let's make it centered. So for that we will set the vertical alignment, actually arrangement, to center. Now it's vertically centered. So the next component is top, this shadow icon, image background here. So here we will see the preview here, and select quality to 4x and download this PNG. I will name it as IMG top background, top right background, and the next is the bottom one. Bottom left background, and the right one. Bottom right background. So now copy these images and paste it in our project. And here above this row here I will show the another image. as I have added a few images in the drawable, so I need to rebuild it manually. So our image is shown here, but it should be at the top of this screen. So for that, to make it top, there are few things that I need to do. Is like I will make comment this vertical arrangement of column, and this will be on the top, but our event hub is not at the center of the screen. We will deal with it later. So let's put our components, all other components of the screen here. So the next is bottom left background, so which will be after this row. And let's copy this bottom here by pressing Ctrl D, or on Mac Command D. Okay, so our other two components are also showing here, but they are they should be horizontally, left one and the left image and the right image. So I will wrap this in row, name it as bottom image backgrounds. Make the modifier fill max width. Actually, our images are our background images are very light, so we are sometimes unable to track them. So the trick is here. I will change the color of this image tag, so it will be very visible to us during the development. So after doing all the alignment stuffs, we can change the background. We will remove that color from this image tag. So let's make it Okay, that's it. And actually I think I have used wrong images. Maybe bottom left is this one, bottom left is this one, which is starting from the left side, and the bottom right is this one. The shadow is starting from the right side, shadow starting from the right side. Our images are correct, but this image is taking more area than this one. So let's increase the width of this image. Let's first see what are the dimensions of this. 724 width and 1688 height. The width of this dimension, image dimension, is high. That's why it's taking more space on. Expect the right one. So for that, I will set the width by using modifier. Let's make it 100 dp.